Okay, I'm going to go over 13A, which starts on page 540, and that's creating a resume, but more importantly, it's talking about creating tables and using those. So over on page 541, talks about a table is basically an arrangement of a document in rows and columns. And so I'm going to do a new Word document here. Okay, so you have a new blank document, and it says on step number 1, it says on the Home tab in the Paragraph group. So we're on the Home tab. These are tabs, and these are groups, like they call them groups in Word. It says to show this, show hide. You can keep that on or off. It mainly helps you show where you're at in the pages. If your rulers aren't showing, like mine are showing here, the horizontal and the vertical ruler, under the View tab, there's the selection for a ruler. Okay. So it says click the file to display Backstage View. This is called Backstage View here. Gives you some more information about the document right now. 0 words, 1 page. I've been editing it for a minute, and I'm the author, that sort of thing. So we're going to go Save As because we want to save this as a new document, and we want to know where it's located. We don't need the new folder, the AIO Chapter 13, but I want you to save it as, if you browse for your Google File Stream folder, which mine is enabled. I gotta be in my Google File Stream. If you go into your folder that you made for Advanced Computers, I'm saving mine under Word Documents, and then I'm going to save mine under, as far as Teacher 13A. You can save yours as what they tell you, last name underscore first name underscore 13 underscore resume. I'm going to do that. So now you have a new document that's saved. Up here's your file name, that sort of thing. Okay, so under the Insert menu, I want you to go into the Header Footer tab. Okay, so we're going to go in the footer, and then it'll give you some options here. We're going to no, actually it wants us to go into let's just go to Edit Footer here, and then we are going to go in the Insert group and click Document Info. So Insert group, and we're going to go Document Info, and we're going to click File Name, and that'll put my file name down there. And then if you're done editing a footer, then you can click Close Header Footer, or you can click up in the document. That will do it too. Or you can click up here, but you can close there. Okay, I'm going to turn off my Show Hide because it bugs me for a while. So you can turn it on and off. It doesn't do anything other than show you where you're at. So then we're going to go back to the Insert tab, and we're going to insert a table. And now we can choose how many rows and columns we want. In the 4th row, we're going to go to this we're going to go to the, it says go to Insert. We're going to point to this is a 2x4 table then, and then you can look at that. You can click one time and that creates the table then. And then we're just going to click Save. Now we have 4 rows and 2 columns, they're called. Okay, these are each called cells within there. Notice that now we have table tools up here. Okay, so these are the table tools. Now we have design and layout that have added to them because we're clicked on the table right now. Okay, So there's this is a table. If you click in each of the cells and you tab, it'll go to the next cell is how you get around, or you can click in it. And we're going to do a sample resume, although it's not going to be the best designed resume, but I'm going to use resumes to teach tables for this case. So the first, I want you to type objective, and then you press tab, and it goes to the next cell. Then you're going to type the following information. I'll type that and come back.